What's the?
Let me see it again. Let me see the action on that.
How much? That's $5.
Yeah. The cheaper the better.
Are we buddies? We got the hot cast. Yep, it's good.
Good, perfect. What do you think about this?
I got some Gatorade, some snacks, and you know, just keep it light for you guys while you fish.
Perfect.
So you guys got the two bearing. You guys got the two bearing ones. Mine's one bearing. Does that mean I get less peacocks?
Yeah. I think the Moana one really suits you.
Moana's nice.
Yeah.
I've heard a lot of good things about the pitch and stick.
Is there one of those?
Consider.
I'm ready to pull the trigger. Zebco. The slingshot.
Slingshot. Look at these little poppers. Look at these little poppers right here. How much is this popper pack? Look at this. It got a little jitterbug, dude. Look at the jitterbug.
Oh yeah. Top waters.
Oh, I like to look at that pop.
Hey, look at this thing.
Give me some input on the peacock bass. Tell me what you know.
About peacock bass?
Yeah.
Well, they're native to South America. There's a lot of species of them. Their real name is the peacock cichlid.
Yeah.
Because they're a cichlid. They were introduced by the FWC here to add a new game fish to the South Florida canals. They can only be found in South Florida, even though they sometimes creep northward on occasion and are killed off by the freezes. They are primarily fish-eating fish. They don't really focus on frogs or anything else, really.
So dang, I did buy a frog, so my frog's not gonna work?
It probably will, just because it's a lure, and if it's got some kind of shininess on it, it's gonna attract them. They're not really amphibious. They're amphibian fish.
See, this here's McKinley. He knows everything about everything of every animal on this planet. We're gonna catch peacocks together. We're gonna do it now. Here we go, boys. First little peacock bass.
Oh my goodness, she's pretty. See how big he is. Not too big. Pretty little fish. Hell yeah. Easy to take off. Yeah. First one on. Hell yeah. Good job. Oh, it's got a little parasite on it.
Does it?
Yeah, it's got a couple of them. The roof of their mouth there. Here, we'll take them off. Beautiful little fish. Got a first little peacock bass, man.
Oh, is that a peacock?
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah.
That's a beautiful little peacock bass.
Back down in the middle. Slam real hard?
Yeah, he hit pretty hard.
Yeah,
I wasn't expecting that, man. He wasn't that big, but man, he put up a good decent little fight.
Dude, you go over there, there's gator paws all up and down the mud. Look at my muddy feet. Because you just sink in the mud. I was like, if a gator comes up and snaps me, Steve Marsh is done.
Done, man. There goes Blue Court Outdoors. It's done now.
I'm gonna pass it on to you guys. No, you got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him, baby. Get him. Come on, pull up, pull up. Peacock, baby. My dude. That's what I'm talking about, dude. Yes, sir. Awesome. Awesome, dude. That's yours, man. That's yours. You want a picture with him?
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, you need a picture with him, dude. Come on. Just stick your thumb in there, bro, and just grip down on him. Yeah. Put your thumb in there. There you go. Hold him. Hold him, because they're real flimsy. Hey, tell these people how it's done, dude.
It's #1 in the books. Feels good. Glad to be here. Couldn't have done it without Marshall Blue Cord Outdoors.
That's right, dude. Hey.
Send this baby to bed.
Yep. My dude. There you go. Flip it up.
Pretty.
Yeah.
Alright, that counts.
That does count, man. I'm just walking over here to say, hey, that's good.
Right now.
That's right. Nice, dude.
Cool.
You got, son? Get him in the. Hey, we need pictures, baby. Nice, dude.
Alrighty. Look at that.
Hey, long arm him, baby. Long arm him. Long, hold on.
You see that?
Get him up. Take him up to the left. Get him up to the left. Get him up to the left. Oh, get him, get him, get him. Yeah, got him. Yeah, you punk. You punk.
Look at that. No long arm in it.
No long
Look at
arm.
that peacock right there, guy.
Oh my goodness.
That's a tank right there, buddy. That's a
You
peacock.
guys just watched it. We just try to hit this thing at least,
A million times.
yeah, 50
I'll
times.
see
And
the
there.
footage because I gotta have at least 8 videos.
Oh man,
It's so hot.
it's so hot, bro.
Look at that.
Oh my.
He's a beauty.
All right, let's get those hooks out of them and
Send him on his way.
yeah, let's go find more.